years to learn this, and now anyone can just type a sentence?
I'm sorry, Chloe. It's just more efficient this way. The robot makes a perfect cup every time. But
I love working here.
They don't need me anymore. AI can create stunning visuals now, cheaper too. It's over.
Well, he always remembers our anniversary, and he never complains about my cooking. After 3 human husbands, that's a refreshing change.
Now my camera just gathers dust. A single prompt and the AI creates what took me a lifetime to learn.
I used to design logos, websites, you know? Now some program does it in seconds. Funny how the future works, isn't it?
I know this video looked intense, but it's not fiction. This is already happening around us. AI is changing everything. Jobs, skills, the way we work, everything is shifting. But here is the thing. You still have time, you still have a chance to learn this, and the good news, it's not as hard as you might think. Welcome to this channel. Here I will teach you everything related to AI in a simple and practical way. Whether it's AI tools, Python, machine learning, deep learning, or automating your daily tasks. You will find it all here. Even if you are just starting, don't worry. I have learned AI recently myself, and I will break everything down like I am explaining it to a friend. No big tech words, just clear steps anyone can follow. Right now, people are using AI to earn more, save time, and start online businesses. But those who wait too long, they might miss this wave. And honestly, it's a big one. This channel is for people who want to learn AI the smart way. Step-by-step videos, clear explanations, and real projects. It's like your AI learning shortcut. So if you are ready to start learning AI and grow with it, hit the subscribe button and let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.